Guys, I was doing a quick mill calibration here on my VMC 24 and really haven't checked this the machine's accuracy so much since I built it a year ago. I check parts as they come off and everything seems to do what I want, but I can't say that I've ever checked it more accurately than just with the 1, 2, 3 block. So I borrowed some longer gauge blocks from my workplace and thought I'd check it. And this is a 10-inch gauge block that I'm using to check the y-axis. So I wrote a little program here to zero off on the front of the block, set my indicator, and then I'm going to command it to run 10 inches, touch off on the back, and hopefully that thing reads 0. So let's start here. So that's pretty good. And back to 0. So I'm pretty happy with that. There is a slight correction factor in there. Let's see, I've got, can't remember what I've got. For Y, there's a 99992. The way flash cut works is if you get any errors either in your ball screw pitch or in your drive ratio, you can do a linear comp for it using this little fudge factor. And I'm pretty confident that my C5 ground NSK ball screws are indeed 4 millimeters per rev. I think the certificates that came with them actually had test charts on there, and they were good for shoot, I don't remember now. I think it was maybe like 4/10 per foot or something like that. Crazy. And I think the actual measurements were better than that. So I'm pretty happy with or pretty confident of the ball screw numbers. But this number, I'm just using Gates timing belt, timing pulleys, and the GT2 belt, which is pretty good, but I can't say for sure that ratio is exactly 1.20. That's what in theory it should be based on those diameters, but that little bit of a fudge factor in there does correct it. I don't remember what the number was before I put that in there. I think it was off maybe a couple thousandths, but I can't remember. It was pretty close, maybe just a few. But anyway, thought that might be of interest. Also check the y-axis or the x-axis with a 16-inch W 16, and it's about the same. I could run 16 inches and get just a negligible reading on the indicator there for its position. So all in all, still looking pretty good. Okay, talk to you later.